I'm Wanda. Welcome to my channel. Quietly be debt free. I'm going to show you the debt snowball. You are going to list your debts from the smallest to the largest. So here I have written down some things to show you an example. List all of your debts from the lowest to the highest, the smallest debt to the highest debt. Then write down the amount that you owe on those debts. Then write the minimum payment that is required for each debt. Then look and see if you can find an extra $100 in your budget so that you can throw that at this debt. You want to get rid of debt. Actually, you want to erase debt. I am going to show you how to erase debt using the debt snowball. So here, I am going to pretend like you did find that $100, the extra $100 in your budget. So you are going to pay the minimum payment on the first debt, the lowest debt. So this is going to be 50 plus 100. And that's going to make that $150. Then when this debt is eliminated, because right here, when you have the 50 plus that $100, that's actually going to eliminate that debt. So you're going to move this amount of money that you were paying down to the next debt. So here you had $150, so you're going to pay $150 plus the $50 that you owe on this debt. So that's going to be 50 plus 150, and that's going to make $200. So your snowball is getting bigger. The bigger amount is going down. So here you had $150 that you were paying. Now you're paying $200. So when you finish paying this debt of $450, you're going to move that $200 and you're going to pay it on the next debt. So here your minimum payment is $100. So that's going to be the $100 plus the $200. So that's going to make it $300. So look at your snowball. Now you've got a $300 snowball that you're throwing at this debt. So in about 2 payments, because I'm sure you're going to find that extra $100 so you can pay that off quickly in 2 cycles. So here you're going to be paying the $300 on this debt until you erase it. Then you're going to move that $300 down to the next one. This one has a minimum payment of $320. So you are going to pay the $320 plus the $300, and that's going to make that $620. So you're going to pay $620 each time until you eliminate this $3,000 debt. So you are going to be erasing. You're going to be erasing the debt. So this one went away. This one is erased. This one is erased. And then finally, the last one, you're going to erase that debt too. And then you are going to save money. You are going to save money and be debt free. Erase that debt. How to erase debt using the debt snowball. I'm Wanda, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.